Purple Shep is not scared of you. You're nothing but POO. I am Purple Shep. You are a error. Thoughts keep. And white outy pink sheep will beat you in PvP. Now X is me. I need to go pee. I'm not a bear, I'm a Shep, not yoy. Cause you a ape, I'm strong, you are weak, I'll eat you like fresh meat.